G'day everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm just here with Darren. We're going out to try and get some cod. We got some chicken, some cheese. I'm a bit sunburnt, and we've got some worms as well. We'll try and get a few shrimp while we're out there, and hopefully hook into a few good fish. Alright, got our rods out here now. Got our esky with all our bait that we need. Anything we're needing is just some shrimp. Chuck it in, try and get some shrimp. Grab a couple rods, grab Darren's rods, and we'll head down. Let's get a cod. Get some sticks here as like a little platform that I can step on to get to the water. Just like that. Wash my hands. The river's actually looking pretty clear. I thought it would be dirtier than what it is, but it's looking healthy. Oh, go on. What is he? Carp. First fish, look at that, little carp on just a worm. There's something else attacking it when I was trying to get some bait for the other rod before. First fish is a mud bone. A dirty carp. Put him out of his misery. Let's get it back out there. Got him. Go on. Oh, good fish. Look at that, taking me straight out the middle of the river there. Decent fish here, guys. I'm pretty sure this is a good fish on here. Just on a little worm. Only one on the hook. It's a pretty big hook for just like one little worm. But smash that straight away like that, going swimming straight upstream. Yeah, good big carp. Wow, that's good. That sun's a bit glary. It's beaming on us right now, but wow, fighting real hard. Wow, look at that. Big healthy carp. That rod bend. Really fighting. Let's just skull drag him here. Up, mate. Got him. Oh, decent one. Look at that. That's a healthy carp. Look at that. How big he'd be. Really 45 something centimetres. Put up a great fight. Good hook set right there. Let's get that rod back out there. That's beautiful. Good to get these things out of the river. Little fishing, Darren. He's only a little fisherman. Look at him, little fisherman. Something on the worms again. The worms are getting destroyed over here. Getting tons of bites on them. Already got 2 fish, haven't even been here 10 minutes. Oh, a massive fish just biting on here. Got him! Oh, that was good hook up. Oh, what is this thing? Oh, damn. Got off, did it? No, it's swimming towards me. Must have been on a snag or something. It's only small. Jeez, this thing's tiny. Oh, tiny little black carp. Oh, fuck. Okay. Number 3. I thought that thing was massive. It must have went in a snag or something. Carp. Nice one. There's a go get that net maybe out of the car so they don't get off, eh? Alright guys, I'm going to pull the rods in and try a different spot. I reckon a bit more shadier spot with spots with a bit more logs and structure and maybe even some deeper water. But we had a lot of action here. I wasn't able to get that fish that kept taking that chicken. Maybe next time we'll get him, but fish here for the rest of what's left of the afternoon. Nice open spot. A few trees down there. Oh. Darren's got a decent carp there on the shrimp. Did that just pull or did you put a bite and just took off? Decent one there. Ooh, got another one. Oh yeah, little one. Look at that. That's it. Get him up there. What was that on, shrimp? Nice. Darren's got another one on shrimp. Got one. There we go, finally about time, it's only small. Oh, got one. That's a good hookup. Oh. Oh, how small is this thing? Just water skiing in. Small carp. Oh. That thing hit that hard. That thing really hit it hard. Oh. Got another one. Yeah, carp. There's one more out of the water. Nice little one. Definitely a few carp getting around. Such a shame I haven't got a cod yet. No cod, sadly, but at least we tried. The river's looking really good at the moment. Only some carp, out here for a couple hours. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you liked and enjoyed this little video, and it'll be good to see you on the next outdoor adventure. Cheers, guys.